where we come from, and you're going to be listening to Christmas music, is to buy both of those records or stream them, however you, and you'll get a quick like, oh, this band that I just heard talking about Christmas, this is where they've been. People who don't like our other music will say, man, I don't listen to your records, but every Christmas I put on Stone In. That was Isaac Taylor and Zach Hansen. We talked more with them and other artists about the Christmas music business, and you can find more of that at marketplace.org. In Washington, D.C., I'm Sabrina Benishore with the Marketplace Morning Report. From 8 p.m., American Public Media.
Good morning. You're listening to West Virginia Public Broadcasting on this Monday morning, December 24th. It's Christmas Eve. My name is Chuck Anzelevich. I'll be with you this week, hosting the morning news. And it's really nice to be with you here on WVDD Charleston, WVDL Bluefield, WVWV Huntington, WVKM Maine, WVPG Parkersburg, WQAB Philippi, WVNP Wheeling, WVBY Beckley, WVPW Buchanan, WVEP Martinsburg, WVPM Morgantown, WVDS Petersburg, and WVWS Webster Springs. And we're online at wvpublic.org. It's 7 o'clock.